Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Dive into the wonders of animals, birds, and wild nature. 50 unique questions, just pure and fascinating natural facts. How many can you get right? Please like, comment, and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. What animal uses tools for hunting? What bird has the largest brain-to-body ratio? What is the fastest moving object in nature? What phenomenon is a water spout? What animal plays dead to hunt? What bird cannot move its eyeballs? What is the highest uninterrupted waterfall? What causes pink snow? What animal is known for its memory? What bird lays the smallest egg? What is Earth's largest known cave system? What phenomenon is fire rainbows called? What animal has scales for skin? What bird can mimic car alarms? What is the longest living animal? What causes frozen methane bubbles? What animal has no stomach? What bird has a feathered crown? What is Earth's largest ocean current? What atmospheric optics are sundogs? What animal can regrow heart? What bird builds the largest nest mound? What is the deepest point in the ocean? What causes fairy circles in grasslands? What animal has natural antifreeze in blood? What bird cannot walk, only hop or shuffle? What is the most abundant metal in Earth's crust? What phenomenon is ball lightning? What animal sees in near infrared? What bird sleeps on the wing? What is the largest organism on Earth by mass? What causes desert varnish on rocks? What animal has a single long tusk? What bird is known for anting behavior? What is the highest point in North America? What phenomenon is a dust devil? What animal has blue blood? What bird song has 700 notes per minute? What is the Earth's largest and deepest ocean? What causes cloud iridescence? What animal can survive total dehydration? What bird has a beak longer than its body? What is the world's largest hot spring? What phenomenon makes singing sand? What fish has male pregnancy? What bird builds an upside-down nest? What is the world's tallest tree? What causes red tide in oceans? What animal has unique nose prints? What bird has a transparent membrane for diving? Appreciate your time. Hit that bell so you never miss a video.